when you have a good teammate with you and a person that's pushing you,
Yeah.
it's
Yeah.
so much more helpful. You know what I mean? And I remember
Yeah.
like when I got back and I was like, yo, me and Jereem won't get a room together, like, cause we mesh off of each other. And I told this man, I said, yo, listen, what's the goal we're gonna set before? He's like, yo, this year we only having 2 parties for the whole year. Just 2 big ones, and that's it. We ain't going
Wait,
out.
hold on. Hold on. Were you guys keeping these parties?
Yeah, we host parties,
Or
bro.
just
we host
yeah.
yeah, we host parties,
Man,
like, you know what I mean?
yeah, I
So
was living
party,
life.
yeah, 2 parties for the entire year, but
Yeah.
everything is gonna be focused. We don't drink. We didn't drink at all. Like we was like
Mm,
actually like focused. Like, yo, I said, bro,
locked in.
locked in. He's like, on his wall, he has, I'm gonna run 19 seconds, and on my wall, I'm gonna run 44 seconds, right? But I was always
Yeah.
messing with him. I always put 44 underneath his 19. Like, hey, bro, you can run that 44
Yeah.
too. Like, you know what I mean? Because he
Yeah.
doesn't like to
Yeah.
go.
Yeah.